Alright, so it's the next day and we're finishing up this project. All I'm gonna do now is kind of hit these welds a little bit, clean them up, and prepare everything to get painted. So, yep, what I'm gonna use is a little Dremel tool and just grind the very top of these, kind of smooth them out a little bit, and just clean them up. So I did this off camera because it had a bunch of different welds, and I just wanted to show you the process of what I was doing and how it looks. I used instead of a mild steel filler, I used silicon bronze because it takes less heat input to melt and to wet out, and it's incredibly strong metal. But our setup out here, the breaker isn't the best, so we were tripping breakers, so I couldn't use the mild steel filler. But with this silicon bronze, it did the trick. It looks nice. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is take a wire wheel on the angle grinder and just buff everything off and get it ready for paint. When you use a wire wheel, I would suggest you use gloves. Long sleeves would help. I don't have any on, but don't do what I do. And definitely at least safety glasses. If you have a face shield, use a face shield. That's even better, but I don't. And so, there we go. So yeah, if you can see that little barbs that flew off of that wire wheel stuck into the glove, that could be your eye, and that would really suck. So now I'm gonna drill these mounting holes. So I marked the holes on this from that other one, and now I'm just gonna center punch it. And drill them out. And there we go. We got that all cleaned up, ready for paint, and we're just going to use some regular old black spray paint. So that's the first coat. We'll let it dry, probably do another coat. Right, so now we're gonna attach this rubber as like a
membrane.
A space taker upper.
A shim.
Yeah, it's gonna go like that and then like that. So I guess we can just get to it. We're using some rubber cement. And that's it. Now we gotta let it dry. All right, so we glued up all these rubber pieces, one in here, and one inside of here. Now we're gonna fit this up, and hopefully everything works. Now we gotta clamp that shut. Probably gonna have to go to the vise.
Yep.
All right, Dan, twist that.
Mm-hmm. Give me that cheater. Oh.
Got moved.
So we're gonna use a cheater bar to ratchet down this steel. Definitely.
Right. So the handlebars.
So now we have a mechanical fit. Worked out very well.
Nice.
So now we're going to go ahead, set this onto our weed eater, and then bolt it all up. Maybe.
So now we're going to bolt up this bottom piece. And if everything goes right, it'll work.
If not,
wasted 2 days.
So the rubber cement actually breaks down the tire inner tube that we're using for our rubber. So it's going to be a super tight bond.
Well, as you can clearly see, it's finished and it works. Hold up. Turn it.
Alright everyone, well thanks for watching. Today's the wrap up from our part 1 video. Tomorrow Tristan and I are going to come out here and do some more work. Probably actually start working on our compost pile, our compost enclosure. We got some wood and we can start working on that, get that ready because we're going to be getting our pig soon. Go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, go ahead, watch our other videos and be on the lookout for tomorrow because there's going to be another video. So, see y'all.